Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy affiliate marketing with Stripe, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin deploying affiliate marketing with Stripe, you first need to set up a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Next, navigate to the developers section in the dashboard. Here, you will find your API keys. These keys are essential for integrating Stripe with your affiliate program. Make sure to copy both the publishable key and the secret key for later use. Now, choose an affiliate marketing platform or software that supports Stripe. Some popular options include Tapfiliate, Referzion, and Post Affiliate Pro. Sign up for your chosen affiliate marketing platform. Follow the specific setup instructions provided by that platform. Once your affiliate platform is set up, integrate it with Stripe using your API keys. This usually involves entering the keys into your affiliate platform's integration settings. After integration, create your first affiliate program. Define your commission structure, including the percentage or fixed amount per sale. Next, configure the payment settings for your affiliates. Decide on the payout method, such as bank transfer or PayPal. Set the payout threshold so affiliates can access their earnings. Now, create promotional materials for your affiliates. This can include banners, text links, and product images. Once your materials are ready, share them with your affiliates. Encourage them to promote your products using the provided materials. Monitor your affiliate program's performance through your platform's analytics dashboard. Keep an eye on key metrics such as clicks, conversions, and total sales. Regularly communicate with your affiliates to keep them motivated. Provide updates, tips, and strategies to enhance their promotional efforts. As your program grows, consider offering bonuses for top-performing affiliates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.